have gathered here to learn something about entrepreneurship. Why are we learning that during your engineering days is, a good question. The thing is, entrepreneurship has been in the Indian ecosystem not only for the last 20, 30 years, but I would say for the last half a century post independent India, and even a century before India got its official independence from the British. So what has changed in the last couple of decades is the fact that Indian industries have opened up to investments from the West or from other countries or from other organizations based in countries other than India. Also, the fact that we have graduated, in the last uh, century or so from just being involved in the trading part of it, but also moving into something called as the manufacturing part of it. And this is where the spirit of entrepreneurship has come into picture.